Is your Google Ads cost per click too high? Do you need to reduce your cost per click in a safe way? Hi, my name is Francisco. I'm the owner of Planet Marketing, a digital marketing company. We specialize in Google Ads, Facebook ads, and remarketing. Today's topic is how to reduce CPC on Google Ads and do it safely. Before we get to the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get useful marketing tips. You should also sign up to the Planet Marketing newsletter. This channel is made for business owners, marketers, and aspiring business owners. All links will be in the description. Sometimes lowering your CPC can be scary, like this. You don't know what to do. You just do shit and then you deal with it later. Anyway, if you're scared of dropping your CPC, what I did was I have a client here, and I want to show you how I do it safely. You don't just go in there and just cut the CPC in half because you might just kill your whole AdWords campaign. So as you can see, this is a pretty mature account. I'm limited by budget. This is for the last 30 days. But since I have been decreasing and in some cases increasing cost per clicks, I look at what has happened just in the past few days. Actually, I haven't closed or lowered any types of bids since last Friday. So I'll look at from Friday till yesterday, which Friday to Sunday. I know I didn't lower anything on Friday. So when you're looking at your campaigns, you're going to want to sort by average cost per click. Immediately I see this $3.50, but I'm not going to touch this one because I'm actually okay paying a high cost per click. Then it comes down to $2.50. I'm fine with that one, but I look at this one, $1.87. What can I do to lower that average cost per click? You can see here my conversion rates are about 26%. Each lead's costing me about $7.16. I am going to go into this campaign and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to sort by average cost per click. Again, $1.87 is my average cost per click. So these ones are below the average right here. And then these ones are above average. So I'm going to look at cutting some costs here at $2.67. Okay, you need to be granular when it comes down to this. Again, you don't just want to just cut your CPC and, you know, wondering what the hell happened later when your ads are not showing. So you can see that these two have received clicks. I'm currently bidding $1.99. I'm paying $2.10. What the hell? Oh, well, $2.10 a click here. I'm paying max CPC $2.96, and here I'm paying $3.25. So there's some type of automation going here. So you have to go through your settings and make sure that you don't have any types of automation here pushing up your cost per click. Now Google's going to tell you everything like, oh, you should be using our automated bid system. You should be, don't ever use manual CPC. You should use enhanced. Basically, you should give control over to us, Google, so we'll run your campaigns for you. That's a bunch of bullshit. So you want to maintain control as much as possible. Now, in some states, I have these bids adjusted higher or lower. In this particular campaign, I have nothing that is increasing the cost per clicks or bid adjustments. So make sure that you don't have anything adjusted or, you know, like a positive 10% for a particular state or something like that. If you see stuff creeping up on you, the cost per clicks, and it's over your max CPC, come over to Tools and then under Bulk Actions, Rules. And here you will see if there's any automated rules that are automatically pushing up your cost per click, or at least your max bid. Since I don't see anything there, I'm going to come over here to bidding, and I have my manual CPC, change bidding strategy, and this is on conversions. Look at that. All right, clicks. Oh, that's fine. Maximum conversions, manual CPC. That's what I want. See, so Google automatically tries to give you an enhanced CPC here. I'm just going to hit save for right now. So I want as much control as I can get from my Google ads. Remember, they're there to help, but they're there to make money as well. So I recommend, if you are in your Google ads all the time, I am with my clients multiple times a week, that you should have as much control. Don't give the automated bidding over to them. They'll just suck up the money. Okay, so let's look at this. $1.99, $2.10, and $1.96, and $3.25. I can lower these because my average cost per click is $1.87 overall for this campaign. I'm going to go to $1 and let's say 75 cents. I can always raise them later. And then this one's going to go way down. Bam. That's how I safely lower cost per clicks. All right. You can see that the quality score is up here. That'd be really high, 9 out of 10s. And when you're running into these situations where you haven't changed any bits for like 30 days and you got all kinds of clicks on your stuff, you can actually do this by bulk. Go over here, edit, change max CPC, and then set a new rate, $1 a click or whatever. And you can always preview it. You can decrease by a percentage. Well, you can see here that everything is just going to go down to $1 here. I'm going to cancel this, and now I'm going to show you the change the max CPC based off of a percentage. You can drop it by 25%. Remember, when you drop your rates, your ads may actually stop showing. So you could put a bottom here and say $1. So you can see now that everything's going to be dropped by 25%. I'm going to cancel this. And okay, so that's how you drop the CPC bid. So if you're on a limited budget like I am with my clients, we always have to work within a budget. It's okay to have this because now you can just start dropping bids on certain campaigns, because whatever is not used up for a particular campaign, let's say this vehicle is one that I was using earlier, that money that I save on there can go to another campaign. And eventually, overall, these numbers will start dropping. So the cost per click, $7.32. If I keep dropping my cost per clicks, maybe that'll go down to $7 or $6.50 per conversion. The goal is to get the number of conversions is what's important. Get as many conversions as you can for the least amount of dollars. So for cost per conversion. So have the lowest cost per conversion, but still have enough conversions coming in to make a difference. I hope that helps. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. This channel is made for business owners, marketers, and aspiring business owners. If you need help with online marketing or Google ads, contact us on planetmarketing.com. We specialize in Google ads, Facebook ads, and remarketing. One last thing. Advertise today and get sales tomorrow.